May buntag.
Ang aga. Magandang umaga.
Yeah. Magandang umaga. Right, we've just had the electrician leave and make everything work. That's our new air source heat pump out there. And that big switch on there is the on-off switch for that.
Oh, that one, yeah.
Right, okay. And then inside, all the controls for it are inside here. That's the old boiler. And this is the controller unit, which you can see if it focuses. That tells us that it's all working. There are three little things there. It means the fan's working, it's sending water around the system, and the compressor is working. And the little sunshine means that it's warming up. And then over here we have the controller unit, which on the controller unit, can't really see it, but there's a little flame there that says it's asking for heat, because this 19 is the temperature of the room now. There's a little Wi-Fi signal there, which means it's sending a signal to the air source heat pump to say, can you hear me? Are you working? Hello? And then if we want, that's what we've set the thing to warm the house up to, that temperature. But if we're too hot at that, we just press this button to make it cooler. But because we've just switched it on, we want to test the system, so we've put it up to 23 to see if the radiators get hot. I've just felt one of the radiators over here, and that is already warm, and it's only been on for 10 minutes. So we might not need to have new radiators. So we'll update you in the next few weeks to see how we are getting on with our new air source heat pump central heating system. Thank you.